Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Cherry and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my eyebrow routine. And we're first going to start with the Anastasia Brow Wiz pencil in dark brown, and we're going to brush our brows up using the spool.
I used to take myself out on dates, open my own damn doors, pay for everything on my plate. Sometimes I'd even get the steak, cause I got it like that. Always have my own bag, never needed no man to rely on. Got two good shoulders to cry on. I was alright on my
Now we're going to take the other side of that pencil and we are going to fill in our brows.
I couldn't tell at the time, but I was my own soulmate. It's like I forgot I was fine, let you treat me any kind of way. Now I'm free, you gotta celebrate. You couldn't see everything and stay. That I wasn't afraid to say, yeah. If I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to.
Now we're going to take our spoolie again and brush the beginning of our brow to create that light to dark gradient effect. After that, we're going to move right into lining our brows. Now I only line the bottom of my brows, but you can do whatever you like. Now to the fun part, guys, we are going to conceal our brow, and I'll be using the LA Pro Girl concealer in the shade Fawn. And so you guys know I am using my eyeshadow brush by e.l.f. and I'm going to go in and tap that concealer right under my brow before I take it up and actually conceal my brows.
I gave you all that you asked of me. You like the view from behind, but you won't make an ass of me. That's why I'm saying goodbye. Hopping out my feelings, get to the money. Gotta keep it 100. Leaving you ain't really took nothing from me. So don't come looking for me. I'm that bitch and I have it. You forgot but I haven't. You was just a no habit. So I'ma disappear like magic. I'm that bitch and I have it. You forgot but I haven't. Now you wish that you had it. But all I gotta say back is,
if I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta do. When I love you, I lose me. No, I can't be attached to you no more. I like me better when I was young. I can't be attached.
Okay guys, now we are going to blend that concealer out, and I am using my blending brush by e.l.f. So while you're blending, you really want to tap that product into your skin to get rid of any harsh lines. And I'm also going to take that product into the beginning of my brow to get rid of that harsh boxy look that you see right now. Doing that will also help with the light to dark gradient effect that we really want on this brow. So as you guys can see here, just tapping a little bit of that product at the beginning of your brow is already getting rid of that boxy look that we don't want. Now I'm using this plastic case to mix my colors to conceal the top of my brow, and I am using my LA Pro Girl concealer and my natural foundation shade. So guys, using a darker shade at the top of your brows is really going to decrease the halo brow effect that we don't want. And again guys, I'm just tapping that product on before I go in and conceal, and I'm using the same e.l.f. eyeshadow brush from earlier.
you forgot but I haven't. Now you wish that you had it. But all I gotta say back is,
if I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta do. When I love you, I lose me. No, I can't be attached to you no more. I like me better when I was yours. I'm going back.
So I like to be very careful not to bring that concealer all the way to the front of my brow. So I'm just going to conceal a little bit more. Then I'm going to go ahead and blend the rest of that concealer out.
No, I can't be attached to you no more. I like me better when I was yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back.